Hello everyone and welcome to Kitchen Square again. So today's recipe is dahi vada, a very tasty and very easy recipe to make. So to make it you need to heat up your kadhai. We are using an induction, you can use a gas, that's not a problem. And to make it you need urad dal or bulid dal as it is called in Bengali, and you need to make a fine paste, but it should not be too fine. You might put in some salt in it and keep it aside to rest for some time. And dahi vada is incomplete without dahi, so you need curd, khatta dahi you need, and along with that you need some other things as well, like this hari chutney, which is made up of coriander, dhania, and that is some masala which is a mix of sauf, dhania, jeera and red chili powder, red chilies though. If you want more information on that, you can write it down in the comment. I'll give another one. This is the imli chutney, which is made out of sugar and a little bit of imli, and this is salt for taste. To garnish it, we need some bhujia. You can use aloo bhujia, you can use churi bhaja as it is called in Bengali, and of course oil to fry them. So the pan is heated, we pour in oil into the pan, let it heat for some time, and in the meantime we put some salt in it and mix it well. As you can see, it is not too runny and not too thick. The consistency should be like this. You have to make small dumplings and let it fry into the hot oil. The shapes and sizes is according to your choice. These are small to medium in sizes and works best for me, at least. So here we are putting 6 dumplings. We will keep it for some time and then we will change the faces. Let the other side get fried. Be a little careful. I am being a little bit messy, I know, but you can do better. See, it has turned a little bit golden brown. And we'll let the other side also fry like this only. You don't need to burn it, you just need to do it. I know it's a bit messy, and this is how it looks. Perfectly fried actually, and it's time that we take them out on a dish. So you can use a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. I didn't have one in this lockdown, so I'm just using the tray, but do use a tissue paper to absorb the extra oil. Now you can do two things. You can soak the vadas into water, or you can just pour the curd, because this is how I like it. So I'm not going to use the water section, but it is all up to you. I'm going to beat the curd a little bit, add some salt and some sugar. Now we Bengalis cannot do away with sugar, can we? And I'm going to place the vadas into it. Just 3 or 4 of them will be enough, and dip them into the curd until they absorb it. We'll let them absorb, and and we pour in that masala that I talked about. If you want the link or if you want some information about it, you can just type it up in the comment box. We pour in some imli ka chutney and then the dhania chutney. It tastes delicious with these. That khatta meetha taste becomes. And to top it off, to garnish it, we use jhuri bhaja, or you can use aloo bhujia with that. It's fine. And your dish is ready. It's served. It tastes delicious. It is a perfect snack for the evenings. You can serve it to your members or guests. Even though in the lockdown no guests are coming, so you can have it on your own. It's a treat everyone will love. So that was it. It was a very easy 5 minutes recipe. If you want more, please comment, like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye.